Hi, my name is Igor, and I've made one video uh, before talking about highly sensitive people, and I was also talking about anxiety issues, and I mentioned a couple of books that you can use to help when you're getting anxiety symptoms or nervous illness. Um, and those books were very helpful in my journey. And today I want to talk about how basically highly sensitive people, they get affected a lot by external issues, um, unresolved issues, and sort of the need to meditate on it and just to figure out that if you can't do anything about it, you need to let it go. Because one of the things that you can stop doing is watching the news a lot. Like sometimes it's okay, but if you watch the news a lot, it can get sort of inside your nervous system and sort of eat you up inside. Because it's like if you watch what's going on right now with North Korea, for example, uh, which is pretty much a horrible situation where people have absolutely no free speech, and they can't even talk to their neighbors if they have doubts about the regime, right? Um, and if you look at that situation, you think to yourself, is there something I can do? And there isn't something you personally can do at the moment. I mean, the governments of the world are trying to do something. The democratic governments are trying to do something, but there isn't something you can do. And if you're a highly sensitive person, like if your nervous system was hardwired to be a little bit more acute to the external stimuli, then well, there's no such thing as a normal person, right? Everybody is unique and every nervous system is different. But if you're a highly sensitive person, that eats you up a lot inside. If you watch these things and you see a lot of unresolved issues about North Korea and just generally what's going on in the world. And for me personally, meditation has helped a great deal. You hear a lot of people, like I said, talk about transcendental meditation. But for me personally, just a regular meditation or self hypnosis helps a lot. Um, just basically, uh, realizing that you can't do much about that situation, so there's no need to take that situation inside your own body. Uh, is another reason why watching the news, which should probably be limited, a little bit limited, and not, you shouldn't watch the news probably every day, because it's very rare that you see something positive on the news anyways. It's usually something negative, some catastrophe, some disaster, or like I said, something about a horrible, horrendous regime that you can't do much about. Um, and basically, uh, there's no need for a highly sensitive person who's already overloaded by external stimuli to take that onto himself or herself even more, um, causing him or her to feel anxiety and nervous symptoms, and that can lead to panic attacks and a whole bunch of stuff that you really would rather not be experiencing. So that is just my advice, and that's my video for today. Thank you for watching.